Hello everyone and welcome back to Motors&Me. In my last upload I replaced the starter motor on my 1967 Jeep Wagoneer, which was quite an adventure. And the next thing I'm gonna do on the Jeep is to add a electric fuel pump. But before I do that, there's something I have been itching to do for a very long time. And that is to replace the bad tailgate struts on my Mark IV Mondeo. Heavy. And it's really a dead simple thing to do. The only problem you probably gonna run into is to get someone who can hold the tailgate up while you replace the struts. Or you can use locking pliers on one of the struts while you replace the other. There you go. You probably can also use a piece of wood that's long enough to hold the tailgate up, but I don't think that's a good idea because if that thing slips, then it's rest in peace fingers. Okay, let's move on. So, get your piece of wood, because let's be honest, you are going to use one. You can also use a towel or a rag on the top and the bottom, so you don't scratch anything. Stuff it in there. Make sure it's tight. Looks safe, I think. Yeah, that's safe. And then how to replace the struts. Well, basically the only tool you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver. And what you want to do with it is, on the top and on the bottom there's a clip, is this one, and there's a hole beneath it. And you want to place the screwdriver in the hole beneath the clip and push the clip upwards. Oh, come on. And it should look something like that. And the same thing on the bottom clip. It's difficult to see anything. I got it. No, I don't. Yes, I do. Okay. And then all you need to do is just to take the strut out. And it should come out easy. Just like that. Then take your fancy new strut and put it on the ball joints. But make sure you do it the right way. It shouldn't go the other way around. And so, that's one. And that's two, question mark. Oh, there we go. And of course the same thing on the other side. First, open the clip. Okay, then the bottom one. Okay, and then take the old one out. Simple as that. Then the new one in, and again make sure it's the right way round. And then the new one in, and again make sure it's the right way around. That's the bottom. Come on. And that's the top. Yep, all good. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, it holds. That's good. All right, let's get a test. Oh yeah, much better. It's not exactly light like a feather, but it's much better. And that's how you replace the gas struts on your car. And as I said, it's simple and easy to do at home. Just make sure that the tailgate doesn't come crashing down on you. And basically this method goes for most cars. Sometimes you might encounter brackets on one end of your gas strut, but you just simply unscrew it and screw the new one in place. And that's it. And that's it for this short video. If you guys liked it, you can give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe. If you want to see more videos of this Ford or maybe my Jeep, Volkswagen Golf or my Nissan Pulsar, be sure to browse my channel. But for now, thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.